How to make a beautiful fabric flowers without using a soldering iron. Stay tuned! If you love anything about fabric flowers, consider subscribing. Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel. It's been a while since I make a fabric flower tutorial, and the highlight here is that I will make a fabric flower without using a soldering iron. Let's go ahead and get started. Prepare a square fabric. I will use organza and tulle fabric for this flower. And to cut such perfect straight line like this, I will use a rotary cutter. If you don't have a rotary cutter, you can use a regular scissors. So prepare a self-healing cutting mat and a transparent ruler. I will make 1.5 inch or 4 cm square fabric. The size of this square fabric will determine the size of our flower. I will show you the difference at the end of this video. This is the tulle fabric, and this is the organza fabric. Put them together like this. Add a dab of glue and fold down. Prepare 4 pieces of this, and I will show you how to arrange the fabric. The arrangement of this fabric is the same as the one I made in this video. You can click here to watch my previous video. Just place the fabric on top of each other. Prepare 2 pieces of this and attach them together. Embellish the flower using anything you like. Our fabric flower is finished. This is the one I made using 2-inch square fabric. You can see the difference. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this fabric flower tutorial, please like and share this video. If you have any questions, write in the comments below. And please support the channel by subscribing and ring the bell.